Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the filter holder in your LG dryer, you will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a Phillips bit. Unthread the 3 screws securing the filter cover and remove it. Depress the 2 tabs to release the filter holder from the cover. Push the filter flap down and pull it from the holder. To install the new filter holder, align the spring on the flap and insert it into the slot. Fold the flap down and lightly bend to insert the other slot. Then snap the center hinge in place. Hold the flap down on the filter assembly and then align and snap the assembly in place onto the cover. Next, align and slide the assembly into place within the dryer. Rethread the 3 screws to secure. And your dryer should be ready for use.